Today I'm gonna teach you question number 2 part 6. Find the value of dy by dx. It means we will differentiate with respect to x. And this is our question, given question. And first of all, we will combine x terms. Y is multiplied by this term. When we take in the right side, multiply terms will be divided. How? Y is equal to x into under x square plus 4 divided by x square minus 1. Now these are two terms. So we will, by combining these two, how to combine? If we x square, if we apply x square and under root, it doesn't impact on the equation, on this equation. So x square minus 1. Now we will combine these two. How to combine? X square into x square plus 4, x square minus 1. Now we'll take in the one root. These are two roots. 2 and 1 by 2 cancel each other. These are now we combine these two by taking these two terms in one root, square root. So now we will multiply these two. But we will get x4 plus 4x square divided by x square minus 1. Now our equation becomes y is equal to under root x4 plus 4x square divided by x square minus 1. Now our equation becomes simplest form. Here we can see that there are two variables. This term we consider as u and this term we consider as v. Now we apply derivative of quotient to quotient variable u divided by v. V derivative of u minus u derivative of v whole divided by v square. Here we can see that